15 preset welding conditions and 3 welding modes. Since this welding machine is driven by helm, it avoids uneven welding speed caused by different sizes of wheel discs. Also, the octagon-shaped main spindle of air pressure is processed by high frequency. The cylinder moves steadily with much reduced tear and wear during welding. Under the fully automatic operation, starting from the workpiece being guided in and being clamped out, following by the automatic movement of the workpiece to the next station. Automatic processing is vital in time saving and in raising production efficiency. In order for the welding head to be serviced in the long term, the front and back of the welding heads are supported by cone bearings. The outer layer is protected by stainless steel, and insulating materials ensure no burnt-out bearings by power leakages occur. The electricity-conducting main shaft is wholly made of chromium copper material, with excellent hardness and electric conductivity. The conducting pad between the welding head and main shaft is made of silver alloy that conducts electricity extremely well with little tear. The spring holds chromium copper firmly, and as it wears out, adjusts automatically to the right tightness. With the auxiliary lathe tools, wheel discs can be processed to maximize operation efficiency and save time.